Are you looking for the TOP5 Best TV Tray Table? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best TV Tray Table on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Huanuo Adjustable TV Tray Table. This TV tray by Huanuo is perfect for regular use and can be used as a TV dinner tray, snack tray, workstation, and many more. The TV tray has 6 adjustable heights from 19 to 27, plus 3 different tilt positions which allow it to keep in both up angular position, down angular position, or straight position. The stabilizing metal rod at the bottom of the table allows it to maintain stability and prevents the table from falling at any case. There are additional features like a cup holder and low-profile legs. The easy assembly lets you fold the table and store it away easily. It is easy to set up when required. Moreover, it is lightweight and portable. Number 2. Alex 2 PC Set TV Table by Winsome. This Alex 2 PC TV table is very simple yet entertaining to use. The conventional rectangular design makes it a perfect snack table, and the curved corners make it a versatile piece of furniture. You can set out drinks on it at any party, enjoy meals from your couch, or use it for the laptop while working. The X-shaped legs increase stability and also make it look stylish. The table easily opens up and is held in place by a wood stopper. The additional metal glide keeps the frame stable and prevents it from sliding back to the closed position. Solid wood is used to construct the table, ensuring quality and durability. It is ideal for regular use and it can be folded and made compact to store easily. No assembly is needed as the table comes completely assembled. Number 3. Tray Table Set by Linon. Linon has brought to you a functional and fashionable TV tray. This TV tray packs superior quality with style, blends well with all kinds of decor. Made of solid engineered wood, it is sturdy and prevents falling or spillage, while faux marble on top enhances its aesthetic appeal. The pack comes with 4 tray tables and 1 stand. Each tray can withstand the weight of 20 pounds, making a total weight capacity of 80 pounds. The tables are easy to clean, and they are not a hoarder of dust. The trays can be folded and kept away when not in use. The foldable nature and handle make it easy to carry the trays. Number 4. TV Tray by Totnz. This TV tray is very effective as it can be adjusted in different heights from 20.8 to 28. Also, it allows you 3 tilt positions which can help you keep the desk straight, tilted up or down. This will enable you to work or eat in the most convenient position. The tray is capable of holding a weight of up to 40 pounds and is versatile to be used as a bedside tray, laptop desk, TV dinner table, couch table, and small folding table. The L-shaped legs make it easy for you to slide it over to you when enjoying your meal. The stabilization rod helps you stabilize the table and prevents it from falling. The installation is quite simple and the step-by-step guide is given in the manual provided with it. The sleek design helps to fit in any decor. Finally, it can also be folded to an even compact size to store away when not in use. They come in sets of 2 tables. Number 5. Able Life Comfortably Independent Universal Swivel TV Tray Table. You might also consider a swivel table like the Able Life Universal TV Tray. This thoughtfully designed piece has a bamboo surface that can rotate 360 degrees in either direction. Not only that, but the base goes directly underneath your seat of choice, and you can adjust the height from 24 to 32 inches. This table is compatible with a cup holder, utensil tray, and storage organizer, but these pieces are sold separately.